Welcome to Miss English!
Hello everyone, and a very warm and beautiful welcome to Miss English, where we learn how to speak English naturally by talking about real life, real interests, and real feelings that we experience every single day. Today's podcast is very special and very useful because we are going to learn how to discuss our favorites in English, which is one of the most common topics when you talk to friends, classmates, or even new people. In this podcast, I am Miss Haneen, and with me is Mr. Abdullah Zaman, and together we will talk about our favorite food and drinks, our favorite clothes, and finally our favorite education subjects and hobbies, all in simple and long English sentences. So, if you want to improve your speaking skills and sound more confident and natural, please listen carefully till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to Miss English for more daily life English conversations.
Thank you so much, Miss Haneen, and I am really happy to be part of this podcast today, because talking about our favorites always feels comfortable and helps us express ourselves better in English. When it comes to eating, my most favorite food is traditional home-cooked meals because they remind me of family, comfort, and simple happiness after a long and busy day. I especially enjoy spicy food because it adds strong flavor and excitement to meals, and it always makes eating a memorable experience for me.
That sounds really comforting, and I completely agree with you because food is not only about taste, but also about memories and emotions that stay with us for a long time. My favorite food is light and healthy meals, especially dishes that include vegetables and rice, because they make me feel energetic and active throughout the day. When it comes to drinks, I really love fresh juices and herbal tea because they are refreshing, calming, and also good for health.
That is a very healthy choice, Miss Haneen, and I personally prefer coffee as my favorite drink because it helps me stay focused and gives me energy during work or study hours. I usually enjoy drinking coffee in the morning or while reading because it creates a peaceful and productive atmosphere for me.
Now let us talk about our favorites in wearing, because clothes are also an important way of expressing our personality and comfort. Personally, I prefer simple and modest clothing because it makes me feel confident, comfortable, and elegant at the same time. I usually choose soft colors and comfortable fabrics because I believe that when you feel comfortable in what you wear, your confidence automatically increases.
I really like your choice, Miss Haneen, and when it comes to my favorite clothing style, I prefer neat and well-fitted outfits that look professional but still feel comfortable. I believe that dressing well creates a positive impression and also improves the way we carry ourselves in public and professional places. For me, comfort and cleanliness are more important than following fashion trends.
Education is a very close topic to my heart because learning helps us grow not only professionally, but also personally and mentally. My favorite subjects are language and communication-based studies because they help me express ideas clearly and connect with people from different backgrounds. As for hobbies, I really enjoy reading and listening to meaningful conversations because they relax my mind and also improve my thinking skills.
That is very inspiring, Miss Haneen, and for me, education is important because it builds discipline, confidence, and problem-solving abilities. My favorite subjects are practical and skill-based areas because I enjoy learning things that I can apply in real-life situations. In my free time, my favorite hobbies include learning new skills, watching educational content, and spending time reflecting on personal growth.
Dear viewers, today you listened to a natural English podcast where we discussed our favorites in food, clothing, education, and hobbies using long and simple sentences that you can use in your own conversations.
Talking about your favorites is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to practice English because it allows you to speak freely and confidently about yourself.
If you enjoyed this podcast and learned something new today, please like, share, and comment. And do not forget to subscribe to Miss English for more real, calm, and meaningful English conversations. Because English becomes easy when you speak from the heart.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Miss English.